Hey guys, today we're going to play Mega Marble Pit, Mega Marble Run Pit, and I have been playing this the last I played this was 1 month ago, so I still remember. So I'm gonna go on the sign one first, and I know that every time you go into one of these things, into like one of those teleporters, when you go down like somewhere you can go to a like all the way down to there, or you can land another one of another color. That's it. If you go down here, you just die. So I'm gonna do this now. And there's a badge here if you want to get it. I already got it. But this is how I got the thing. When I got like that, it said there's a badge that said what? Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm coming back. And I'm coming. Okay, and change your thing. I'm gonna put this loop head. And go. It takes a while to get down here. Oh, my friend just joined. This is my cousin just joined. Maybe he's gonna call me. I'm just gonna be AFK to get my iPad. Okay. Oh, what?
You know,
Yes.
I scanned 8 smelters.
In islands. I was just making a video, and now I made it down here. Okay. Let's go here. I'm a noob head. I'm a noob head. Oh, did you already do this? I'm too fast. Slow down, Chief. Slow down, Chief. No. Oh, that's it. What? Okay, I'm going on the lime green. And I'm a noob head. Okay. I know this one's my most favorite because of this one right here. What the? No, what? I went down here. Why did I get to blue? I already saw this, I think. Why am I down here? Why am I down here? Okay. Okay, I'm fast. 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 Dun, dun. I'm bobbing down and up and up and down. Down and up and down, down and up, up. Okay, yeah, man. Wow. Boom. Okay, J-Pixel. Okay, I'm coming down here. Okay, I'm going. Okay. Oh, look what's down here. Whee! Boom! Can get stuck there. Can get stuck down up there. That's what happened to me like
You know,
so much. Yes.
do you want that HD?
Yes. Oh no! Oh no!
When
No!
it-
No! I died. No.
When I scam another
What? Okay.
cactus spike,
Okay.
I will give
Okay.
it
Okay.
because cactus
So-
spike is a new sword.
Wait, no. What? I bumped into two balls. I bumped into two balls. Oh no.
I'm gonna turbo beats.
No. Just go. No. Yes. Okay, I'm coming to you, pink.
6.
Purple.
Oh,
Yay.
6.
Bobbing down and up and down and up and down and up and up and up and boom, boom. Boom.
You know,
That's what I'm talking about. You get stuck. Yay. Okay, just spacebar. Spacebar. What? What?
lock.
Dun, 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 dun. Oh no, oh no. Night hunter, eating all aboard. Okay. Well, yeah, okay. Am I here? Oh, yes, I am. Man, yeah. Expect me to play. And I'm gonna fling down now. I'm gonna get knocked down. Okay. Okay, what?
No.
Oh no, oh no, 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 yes. Yes, yes, it's the biggest slide. Whee! Boom! Yay. Mega Marble Run! And the badge! Okay, I'm going to this turquoise? No. Greenish? White? It got rotated. Oh. It's a tunnel! No, it's not anymore. It's just straight down. What? What was that? That was lame. Now I have to go down here. Okay. Pink. And what? What? Okay. Oh, no, I hate that. Okay. Okay. And I got a new mouse and a new mouse pad. And it's all glowing. It's rainbow, which is glowing. And it's changing color too. And weep. What do you do when you... Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh! Whoosh. What will happen next? I will fly down into the dusty room. Okay. What? Do you do this? Okay, no, we did not. Oh! I got how much credit? I have 52 credits. Yeep. Okay. And then you're gonna fly down like that guy did. Lucky la. Did they change the speed? Right into it. Jellyfish tree. Okay, here's the last one. Here's the last one. They could need to play. Okay. What is this? What does this have? Wapakanda style. Boom! A chamaleen, yeah! Wop, wop, wapakanda. I know the shop, so I'm gonna go there. I'll go to the shop after this. Then I'm gonna buy whatever I got. This game, I know there's a Game Boy. That was so close to being stuck, and I just got it. Oh, what? Okay, I'm going to the shop now. I received 1,000 points. Game Boy, Game Boy, Game Boy. Fire flash. Okay, I'm getting that. And now what will I do with my 15? I will get that, this, and nothing else. What is this Game Boy? Score 3. Okay. How do I... No! How do I play this game? How do I play with this Game Boy? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no! Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, okay. Okay, speaker. I'm gonna turn out the sound. Mail. Okay. I'm wall hopping this game. Okay. Okay, goodbye everyone. This is the end of the video.